Hi guys, today we will talk about the power steering pump. So in your car you have usually electric power steering pump, which is using hydraulics, or you have the full electric power steering pump, which is using electric motor to help you to assist you with the power steering. There is one more option, which is belt-driven hydraulic pump, which is similar to this one, but it's connected over the belt of your engine. So only in the case of the belt-driven hydraulic pump you need to replace your hydraulic pump in your EV conversion. So if you have a belt-driven hydraulic pump, then you need to replace it most probably with this one. So this is electric hydraulic power steering pump that can be connected to any existing pipes. So it has from the other side hydraulic pipes, and you just replace your existing pump with this one. So it's a simple fit, and it has all of the needed parts, even activation and separate activation, so you can control it easily with the small switch to enable or disable power steering pump when you need it. Let's say for the city drive, just click a button and you have a city driving assist, and on the highways or some other locations you can disable it. So it's very simple to use it when you have electric one. There is also full electric conversion, but this one is much more complicated because you need to connect it to your power steering column using these fits and this one, and you also need to have this computer very near of it. So as you can see, we have all the needed parts for the power steering, and we think about everything, including heating, water heating in cars, which is the best fit for replace existing water heating in your car, which was over the engine itself. AC, so this is 2400 watt power steering, AC air conditioner, AC compressor, and for the heating we have water heating, air and air heating. So there is also air heating with the PTC heaters, which help you to choose which option is the best for you. So there are many options for each of the thing you need, and we can assist with based on your car and your EV conversion type, what parts are the best for your fit. This pump can be mounted anywhere, and it can be easily fit to your existing pipes, hydraulic pipes, because mostly they all use the same fitting for the pump. But you can also adapt it if it's needed. But this is the best and easiest option to use hydraulic electric power steering pump if you had previously belt-driven hydraulic pump. So, and this price is also very cheap. It's mostly cheaper than anywhere else when you're buying power steering pump in the used car parts or new car parts, because on our side it will be probably mostly like 200 euros, depends on the pump strength and the connections and all other parts. For now it's only for our EV conversions, but soon it can be, maybe it could be for other cars as well. If you have any questions, please leave comments, or the best would be to contact us over email for additional questions, or to help you with the configuration for your car, to choose the best parts, and that's it. Please keep subscribed to get more info and more details about our EV conversion parts and instructions. We also have our documentation site where we will add many instructions on videos and how connect and use all of these parts to help you assist with EV conversion if you do it by yourself, or if you need some assistance by replacing some part, or just to understand how it all works. We also have our educational videos, which are for each part, covering each part separately, so you have so you get the best knowledge for each part separately and how it all connects and what are the changes needed.